Hello everybody, today I'm going to be singing Attention by Charlie Puth. I can't say his last name, so don't judge me. All thanks to this song. I don't want to be copyrighted today, so I'm just going to tell y'all all thanks for him. Thank you for writing this song. Makes me feel better. I only changed a few words in this. And this video is to my brother. Let's begin. You've been running around, on no names. 'Cause you know that I call you up. You've been going on party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I know you're not one. Oh, I know friends are karma, a few regrets. You got them thinking about when you were theirs. Oh, and now they're all up on you. What you expect? Now you're not coming home with them tonight. You just want attention. You don't want the height. Maybe you just hate the thought of them with someone new. You just want attention. They knew from the start. You're just making sure they're never getting over you. Ooh, run around till the morning. 'Cause you knew that I call you up. Baby, now, spend it face to face. You're out and one. Ooh, and now the friends are karma, perfume regrets. You got me thinking about when you're theirs. Oh, and now they're all up on you. Which you expect, baby? I'm coming home with them tonight. You just want attention. You don't want the height. Maybe you just hate the thought of them with someone new. I just want attention. Oh, you don't start. You're just making sure they're never getting over you too. Ooh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh. You know that friends are karma, perfume regrets. You got them thinking about when you were theirs. Oh, when you're coming, as you expect. But you're not coming home with them tonight. You just want attention. You don't want their height. Maybe you just hate the thought of them with someone new. You just want attention. You don't want to hide. Maybe getting each other ever getting over you too. Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing to them? What are you doing? Oh. So, I don't want people thinking I was trying to get attention about yesterday's video. The reason is because I'm a voice actor and I do YouTube videos of Minecraft roleplays. And you might think that just because I'm a voice actor, I'm good at acting, and I can act crying. Well, I really can't. I actually suck at fake crying. Yesterday, I actually cried and didn't fake cry. So, I just want everyone that thinks this is fake to just go away so I don't have to see a pitiful expression. Because when I see pitiful expressions, I want to die even more. Most of my friends have pitiful expressions, but I can believe they can change. I believe my friends can change into someone like me. My friends may seem I'm mean. My friends may seem I'm rude, but I'm not that mean. I'm nicer than you think. if you know me in real life and you know my life, you would understand why I'm so stressed out all the time and why I don't have as much subscribers. It's because I hardly have time to do YouTube, and when I try doing my new roleplay, no one really notices, and they always just be loud in the background, so we never got time to do it. So I'm always trying my hardest, and I just wanted you guys to know that I'm sorry for making you all feel bad for me. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry for making you all think I wanted to die. I'm just making me sound like I'm a liar. I don't want y'all to be worried. So, if you are worried, please don't. When someone's worried, I get frightened, and I don't like people being worried about me. The first time someone was worried about me, I wanted to kill myself because I don't want them to be worried. So please, just don't be worried about me. I never want y'all to be worried about me. Even if you guys are, just don't, okay? So please, if you guys are ever worried about me, just watch one of my other videos. I really enjoy y'all watching more of my videos. And is that a cookie? Oh my god, it's a cookie, guys. Guys, it's... Well, what can I say except I got a cookie. I got my baby. Yeah. Okay. I got a cookie. Yay. I got cookie. Yum, 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 yum.
So you like to play with me?
Okay. Back to my outro. Like I said, I don't want y'all to be worried about me. I want y'all to be positive. I want y'all to be smites. I want y'all to be kawaii. Like me. Be kawaii like me. Yes, queens. No. Anyway.
The big house, not this house.
Okay. So if you guys are ever worried about me, just go back to one of my happy videos. Ones where, like, I'm always happy and I'm never down or never weird. Because I ever said, just go look at one of those, okay? Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Good.
It was me accidentally.
Good.
I was trying to kill a squid.
Bye.